Okay, all right, guys. In this video, I'm going to show you the tools you need to run Google Ads. Okay, but before I show you these tools, I want to mention this. I am so happy for Google. I'm happy for Google because Google is the one place that has everything in it. Like Google is the chief internet marketer. Google is the chief when it comes to online things. Everything that is being done online, Google is the chief. And Google has so much information that everything they do appears easy. Now, I think, in my opinion, now I have no proof about this, but this is my opinion. I think that other platforms are learning from Google. Other platforms are learning from Google because what Google does, that's what other platforms look at and they try to mimic what Google is doing or what Google has done. And then they take what Google has done and then they can be able to create their own, right? So Google is so great that everything we are going to be doing, most of the things we are going to be doing in this course is with Google. And Google is a trusted platform that once it's here, is here. Okay. So in this video, let's get back to it and show you the tools you need to run Google Ads effectively. So the number one tool you need is a Google business profile. You need a Google business profile. Now, that's why I'm teaching you guys digital marketing. I'm not just teaching you things that will, I'm not just teaching you about how to run ads or copywriting, or I'm teaching you the whole scope of digital marketing. There are a lot of things you need to know. There are tools you need to use, both in your organic search and paid searches. You need these tools so that your business online will boom effectively. Okay. A lot of people don't know what is called a Google business profile. Now, when people search about your business online, if you have a business profile and you optimize your business profile, that search about your company is bound to come up on top of the page, on page one. So you need to create a business profile and you need to optimize that business profile. So without wasting time, let me show you exactly what a business profile looks like. Okay, a business profile. So, and let me tell you how to create one, right? A Google business profile. Sure. So we're gonna open a new tab. So in your new tab, navigate to this dot, these nine dots, right? Click on it. Now here is my business profile. If I click on this right now, it's going to take me to my home page, right? If I just click on this because it's here, it's going to take me to my own business profile, which is a personal business profile. I didn't create a company business profile. I created my own personal business profile because that's what I started with. Okay, so my own business profile. So, but then I am going to show you how you are going to create your own, right? Because you probably open your own and you will not find this icon here. Okay, you may look for the icon, you may not even see. So scroll down, click on more from Google. Okay, click on more from Google. Now, this page is going to open about.google.com. You see their products. This is about Google, commitments, and stories. Now, scroll down. You can read all this, but then that is not the aim of this tutorial. That's not the aim of this video. You can scroll down, and you get to see Google products. This is for all. You see Google products, Android Auto, Android TV, calendar, Chrome, cars. The thing about Google is that people are always using the search, and a greater percentage of people are using YouTube, but people are always using search, not forgetting that Google has a lot of other platforms, a lot of other apps that are very important that you can use, like Gemini. Gemini is a form of ChatGPT that Google has been using for years. This Gemini used to be called BARD, BARD. But now recently, like maybe in the last 3 years or in the last 2 years or even maybe in the last year, Google changed the name to Gemini. So it's a form of AI that you can type in prompts, just like ChatGPT. You type in prompts and it gives you information that you need. You can even use this to generate tags on YouTube, you can use this to generate, you know, information. You can use this for your research. You know, Google has more information than any other online platform there is. Google is their chief. Google is their boss. Information you can't find on Google, you can't find it anywhere else. So by far, Google has so much information to deliver. So this Gemini is a Google's form of ChatGPT, right? So these are apps Google has, Google you can use. And then you scroll down, keep scrolling down, and you get to the part where they say for business. For business, click on it, and more apps will open. These apps that are specialized for business. So this is what you are looking for: business profile. You click on it. Okay, business profile. That's what you are looking for. You click on it. Now, here is where you create your Google business profile. Like I told you before, once you have a business profile, it optimizes your organic search. Whether you are creating a personal business profile or a company business profile, it automatically optimizes your search. Okay, even if your business is something like Nkechi's Fashion. Okay, you create a business profile called Nkechi's Fashion. Anything, whenever anybody is searching about fashion online and your business profile is optimized, your search comes on the first page because it's a business profile. Whenever anybody types those two keywords you used in creating your business page, like they type in Nkechi, your business profile appears top of the page. This is what some companies do, and they get a lot of organic search. Okay, but these things are hidden to some people that they don't even know about it. So here is the place you create your own business profile. You see google.com/business, say business profile. All right. So for me, I've already created my own business profile. That's why this button is showing me manage now or sign in. Okay. So you is probably going to tell you create now or something. So you click on it, you follow the instructions, enter your business name, your address, your phone number, and then you create something that looks like this. They're showing you something that looks like this. Okay, that's what it's going to create. Opens this and closes at that. So I'm going to click on manage now so that you can see my own business profile. Okay, now I'm clicking on manage now, and then it takes me to this place. So you can see by default, Google has already input my name in the search. When you search my name, this is what you see. You're going to, oh, I already have 7 views. Wow, 7 views. Okay, so this is what it is. You edit profile, you read your reviews. So you can manage your Google business profile all in this place. Here, you edit your profile, edit services, bookings, Q&A. You can answer upfront questions before people come to ask you. You can ask for review. You can copy links and you can send it to your friends, telling them to click on the link and give you a review on Google. Okay, you can actually read reviews, photos, performance, advertise. You can click here and you can, if you have your own Google Ads account, once you click on advertise, it takes you to your ad account and you can start advertising immediately. So there is the picture, like the way it is shown. Okay, you manage your profile. This is it. This is the profile. You see my location, phone number, when I open, edit for business, okay, question and answers, and everything about me. And then there is a video I left on Google so that people can watch and see. So this is it. So, and then you can see my links, my YouTube link, LinkedIn, and Instagram. So this is a pure business profile. Okay, this is a pure business profile on Google. So you see other people that is answering my name because I have a business page profile on WhatsApp. My own appears at the top of the page. My name appears at the top of the page. So you see these people that are answering my name. This guy is answering my name. Okay, look at me everywhere. And these guys are probably answering my name too. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Probably answering my name. But the fact is that because I have a business profile, everything about me is appearing first. This is my website I created on Google. When man was still man, when I was still starting, I created a website with Google Sites. I'm going to teach you all how to you can do that. And creating website with Google Sites is actually free. And this is my Medium account. This is my Juno portfolio account. So everything about me is just here everywhere. So okay. So this is how it is. You optimize your profile in in Google Business Profile. So you can create your own and you can optimize. So the next thing you add, the next thing you have, you need, sorry, the next thing you need for the tools to run Google Ads is Google Ads Manager. You need to have an account with Google Ads Manager. So I want to quickly show you what a Google Ads Manager looks like. Okay. Okay, this is my Google Ads Manager, right? This is my Google Ads Manager. So if you don't have an account, just go to ads.google.com. And if you don't have an ads manager, quickly create one and you're going to find something like this on your own platform. Okay, these are ads I ran not too long ago. Okay, the ads I ran not too long ago. Okay. So this is your Google Ads account. From here, you can run ads on Google and across Google platforms. And from here, you can still run ads on YouTube. I'm going to create a separate video where I'm going to show you guys how you can run ads on you that will show on YouTube alone. Okay, you can do all those things from here. Okay, so the next thing you need is a YouTube channel, right? You need a YouTube channel. Okay, that's pretty easy to open. You can just get into YouTube, and if you don't have a channel, you click on your name and then you click on create a channel. Okay, you can just open a new tab. Okay, you open a new tab, click on the nine dots. Okay, find the YouTube icon, click on it, and then you go to YouTube. You go to YouTube. Okay, and then you see all the videos you want to see. And then if you don't have a YouTube channel, just click on your name here. Okay, because I have a channel, it says view your channel. But if you don't have a channel, it will probably tell you to create, you or you see create channel here or that something like that. So you create your own channel. Pretty easy. You just put on your channel name and then voila, you have your channel. So these are the tools you need to run Google Ads. Okay, you need a Google business profile, very important. You need a Google Ads manager. You need an account with Google Ads manager, and then you need a YouTube channel. Okay, that's all for it, guys. I will see you in the next video. Stay frosty, stay sharp, and practicalize everything you have learned in this course. I guarantee you, success shall be yours.